Islamabad, and as you know, the Pakistan country, there is a region, Gilgit-Baltistan, well known and very beautiful, but there is, some problem like the political, economical, and social issues. So today we are in Islamabad, and we have introduce yourself first.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am Faizullah Faraq, belong to Gilgit-Baltistan and spokesperson to Chief Minister and Government of Gilgit-Baltistan. Today we have gathered here on the issues of Gilgit-Baltistan, especially the constitutional issues, economical issues, political issues, and the infrastructural issues. And we discussed many issues, especially the political autonomy of Gilgit-Baltistan, discussed the Sartaj Aziz committee recommendation and Farooq Aziz committee recommendation, because Gilgit-Baltistan is the dispute part of Kashmir. That's why we demanding to Federation and Islamabad give us the political and the physical autonomy, because we are also ideological Pakistani, and our forefathers revolted Gilgit-Baltistan against Dogra regime in November 1947. After that, our forefathers annexed with Pakistan on the basis of ideological, and nowadays Gilgit-Baltistan's youth and the people of Gilgit-Baltistan demanding to Federation give us the autonomy, political autonomy, and the representation in Senate, National Assembly, and federal finance.
Sorry, you still think there is some other problem like the internal problem of GB? So, what are the solutions of that internal problem the GB is facing right now?
Gilgit-Baltistan, because Gilgit-Baltistan, a society, a diverse society, and the dimensions of the society, we have diversities of linguistic diversities, sectarian diversities, and regional diversities, and we are trying to manage the diversities into opportunities. That's why the opinion of political opinion of Gilgit-Baltistan in different masses are different, because some parties demanding the federation give us a province political setup, and some other parties demanding to federation like Kashmir setup. But the consensus and the majority opinion of Gilgit-Baltistan is that the state of Pakistan give us a full-fledged province. If not possible, they cannot give us a province. Then we demanding to federation give us
You're demanding independent province.
independent province, the fifth province of Pakistan, because we are Pakistani and ideological Pakistani. We believe on Pakistani. Our people and our youth sacrificed for Pakistan. That's why we need autonomous political autonomy. We need physical autonomy. We need a representation in federal finance institutions. We need representation in Senate and the National Assembly. Maybe the representation conditionally we are accept that. We can
Yeah.
accept that.
Sir, what would you like to say to people who are watching you from all over the world, especially people who are living in other country and overseas Pakistani, they are watching you from all over the world?
Questions?
What would you like to say to? Would you like to say something to people who are watching you from other country, like they are Pakistani but living in other country? As a GB spokesperson, would you like to give message to them?
Gilgit-Baltistan, the people, overseas people, I would like to convey a message. Gilgit-Baltistan is a beautiful, have a beautiful landscape. That CNN's report, especially on Gilgit-Baltistan, 25 tourist destination declared that to 2025 must visit there. That's why we convey a message. Gilgit-Baltistan is a beautiful place, and a lot of potential of climbing and tourism. They must visit to Gilgit-Baltistan, and we will warm welcome to Gilgit-Baltistan, and our overseas from Gilgit-Baltistan overseas who are living in foreign countries. Gilgit-Baltistan, now Gilgit-Baltistan is a peaceful region, and there are so many tourist destinations who are always welcome to foreign tourists, welcome to travelers, welcome to climbers, welcome to the people of overseas.
Yeah, it was the message. If you are Pakistani or not, you are living anywhere in this world. you must visit Pakistan, the beautiful region called Gilgit-Baltistan. It was the message. Stay with us. We inform you.